Yo, welcome back to our channel again. It's Jolly Virus representing for the Nero extractor. So today I'll be showing you how we install our new version of Jolly confirmation strategy one version 1.2 on our metatrader. So you know the use of this strategy can help you to catch from the daily low to the daily high. For example, from here to hold your trades from here to here, from the daily low to the daily high. So if you want to download the setup of the strategy, tap the link in the description, contact the number in the description, or go to our free Telegram channel. I'm going to provide the link in the description right away. So let me show you how we install the strategy. Yeah, it's Jolly Virox presenting. So I'm going to show you how we install the strategy. After opening our MetaTrader 4, go tap the link in the description or contact the number in the description, or go to our Telegram channel, the free Telegram channel. Go to our Telegram channel and download the setup. For the video, I'm going to use the Telegram channel. Yeah, here it's Jolly Strategy version 1.2.1.exe. So download the file. After downloading, run it. Yeah, after running it, tap accept, browser, form any folder on your desktop. For me, I fold mine here already. Go to this PC desktop and select the folder which you have created to install, where we're going to install the where we're going to install the strategy. You select the folder, press OK, extract. So the password will be provided to you. The password will be provided to you in the group, in the Telegram channel, on the website, and the contact in the description. If you get any interruptions with the password, contact the number in the description. So we're going to put our password. Yes. Sorry. We're going to put our password. So after, it will be installed so fast. It will be installed to a folder. See, check the folder. These two files are already set. They are already installed on our computer. So there are two files: the Jolly confirmation and the Jolly strategy version 1.2. So copy the Jolly strategy confirmation, copy, and go to our MetaTrader 4. After going to our MetaTrader 4, we go to file, open data folder, we go to MQL4, we go to indicators, and paste it there. Mine, I already installed it there, so if you haven't, it will just go directly. So after there, you go to the navigation, or if you don't have it, go to view and tap navigator. Yeah, we check for Jolly strategy confirmation and drag it and drop it on our chart. Jolly strategy confirmation. Okay, then we go back to our folder, you see this file. We go back to our charts, right click, go to template. We're going to load our template which we have seen in our folder, this one. We go to we right click on our charts, we go to template, load template. They will bring you the files on your computer. Go where you have saved the downloaded files. Go to desktop. Where did I install the strategy? It's gear right here. Tap on the file and press open. Automatically it will load to your computer. You see, it's already installed, so we'll be able to catch our trades using the confirmation. Oh, before we are going to go to our options, go to notifications. You'll find it like here, and enable push notifications. So put your MetaQuotes ID here. If you don't know how to find the MetaQuotes ID, go to your MetaTrader, go to settings, go to chat and messages, and you will see there at the bottom you will see my MetaQuotes ID. So you will put that number into your phone, into your computer, sorry. You put that number into your computer. Mine is right here, A95 14 CA5. So this will help you so that when the strategy confirms any signal, like a buy signal or a sell signal, it notifies you directly to your phone. The strategy is able to notify you directly to your phone. If you do this, you enable them push notifications and notify of trade transactions. Put your MetaQuotes ID. You can even test it so that you can get a notification on it, and accept all the settings by pressing OK. So you'll be able to get the notifications whenever the strategy confirms any signal. Are we clear? So thank you for watching. That's how we install the strategy, so that we can be able to hold our daily highs and daily lows. To input to another pairs, it will be easy. Just go to any pair, right click, template, load template, Jolly version 1.2. Okay, it's done. You see, it's done. You go to another pair, right click, template, load template, Jolly strategy. So if you want to see this template right here easier, you can go to load template, you copy the file, you copy this file, copy, you close, right click, template, save template, and you paste it right here, and it will be included there, and press save. Yes. So when you go to a blank pair, I'm left with no blank pair really. When you go to any pair, you just click right Jolly template version 1.2 and it will be installed automatically. Jolly template version 1.2, and be able to get notifications when to buy and when to sell. We'll be sending you notifications when to take profits. Yeah. So thank you for watching the video. I'm Jolly Virox from Dinero Extractors. Thank you.